Your bachelor's is related to cooperative economics and management. Okay, that is good. Now you want to go in for something related to culinary arts. This is the advice I will give you. First thing first, when you get to the school website or any university's website, always check the requirements. If you find a program, culinary arts or hospitality related, check its requirement first. You understand? The fact that you have a different degree, you can always study another program. But for you to study that program, you first of all need to ask yourself, do I meet the requirements? Because every school will always put the requirements you need to have in order to study a particular program. So you will have to check the program first. Some schools here do not mind. There are certain programs here you can study. From my observation, you can study them if you have a different bachelor. Sometimes the school will just say any bachelor's degree is okay. But other universities will insist on you getting a particular subject or a particular degree in order to study a particular degree. You understand? So it's all about research now. But what you are trying to say, I think we will have to check slowly. There is a school I know, they have hospitality, but I do not think they do have hospitality at master's level. Like I said, you have to check all of that, or we have to check all of that. You cannot assume. When you check and you find a program, then you have to check the requirements and every other thing, including the tuition fee and the dates. You get? Yeah. You cannot just assume. Otherwise, you will only have to study something that relates to your bachelor's. Yeah. Most schools take 6. Yeah. I think 6 is enough to go. Yeah, I'm listening, madam. Mm-hmm. 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 Well, for you to come with a baby, you need to inform the school. That is the first thing. If you are the one to come, right? Mm-hmm. We cannot know. Only the school can dictate in this case. Because first, I know for sure they have to put so many things into consideration. One, the possibility of IND accepting the baby. Two, the possibility of you taking care of the baby when you come here, because there are certain children. First, how are you going to keep the baby? You need to also, maybe they will want to know, or they will ask you to pay money into the same account that you can be able to pay a kindergarten year, or maybe pay a, how do they call them, um how do they, these daycare people, right? Maybe they will want to know if you have extra money, and in this case they might want you to do the deposits and everything and stuff like that. So it will only depends on the school, because you have to go to school and you have a baby you are coming with. Now they want to make sure, they will want to make sure that there is a possibility for you to keep that baby in a safe place. Then you attend your lectures, all those things. I believe so. Yeah, I believe so. It is going to make it a bit trickish for you. Yeah. No, I can't say anything. I cannot decide. Like I said, only the school can go ahead to give you an answer on this. Only the school. Because I know they will have to call IND to make those arrangements, to get all those informations. You get? Yeah. Well, I must tell you from my observation that you may not get a direct answer here. Yeah, they may respond to you, but you may not get a direct answer here, because the school is going to put in more effort when you've gotten admissions only. But you can do it. But I'm not guaranteeing anything. You understand? Yeah, you can do it, and only the school can respond to this question. because I know they have to reach out to IND for further investigation. Because you are coming to study and your baby is still small. So you need to be able to prove to them how you are going to go to school. You get? So that is it.